Verta's Model Monitoring tool suite is designed to seamlessly augment your workflows with visibility into your data and transparency for your models. It starts with data, flexibly ingesting inputs and outputs from batch models, live models, ground truths, and pipelines. Then, configure custom profilers and labels for your data within your existing workflows, and you'll be set for access to an array of insights, visualizations, notifications, and actions to close the loop on model misbehavior and iteration. In a Jupyter Notebook, you can use our client library to create data profiles and log summaries. Use our out-of-the-box profilers, capturing different data types, or even build your own. And tag your samples with custom labels for downstream data analysis. In the web app, explore your raw data in fine, structured detail through windows of the past, and apply easy, two-click filters to zoom in on points of interest by name, data source, any of your own defined values. Jump into particular summaries for an expanded view across labels and time, where you can compare your reference data with production samples to follow changes in distributions and keep an eye on deltas between cohorts at a glance. Configure and manage alerts to be notified as soon as deviations exceed thresholds you've set, and expedite root cause analysis with a direct trailway to alerting samples. Then, bubble up insights by marking key charts as favorites to build your own custom dashboard for collaboration and sharing across teams. Ensure quality and consistency across your models with Verta Model Monitoring.